Again, here we are controlling the movement of this jellyfish with the electric saxophone, and I'm controlling the tentacles. There is a lot of tentacles here, again, on the GPU, thanks to Nathan. This particle shader is amazing. You even get a B-cubic resample in that. It's like completely crazy. And it's a parallel simulation on the graphic card as well. So it's very optimized. That's why we can get so many. Again, depending on which key we play, you can see G is orange. So we can really talk to each other somehow with colors. No, G is for salt. It's orange.
Pedro, can you save the patch full screen? Full screen. See the Medusa.
This one?
Red, okay.
You said the patch. Wait for screen to render. Now you will get a strange thing. This is because the texture in the graphic card is being reloaded when you go full screen. But after that it works. I will ask again if someone wants to try it. It's right here. So you understand how each time we play this piece, it's also an experience for us, because it's not always the same. Exactly. When you get crashes, it's really a surprise. Yeah, the music is basically all improvised, really. We just defined some mode, like a different mode in each part somehow. But it's really free, I mean, apart from that. Of course, we have a constraint with the color thing. So, for example, in the first scene where the objects are falling down, everything is kind of red, orange, violet, so I'm not gonna play, I don't know, E, just because it's green and I don't like how the color feels in that. So this is how we approach the thing. Yeah, let's go quickly. Again, here it's quite a similar behavior in the jellyfish. I mean, he's riding this bird around, and if he plays high keys, he will go high, and low if he plays low. It's quite straightforward. You can see this mesh left behind is colored depending on which keys he plays. And of course, I can play on top and create this very clean iris meshes. Particle shader again. Unbelievable stuff. These are all meshes. I can create a lot. It's no problem. What do you say? The counterbase you hear in the background is being generated in real time from Max MSP. Like there is a Markov scale, Markov algorithm going on, and so we don't control that. Somehow we have to also interface with the computer that is generating some part of the music.
Can you zoom out to see all?
Look at the wireframe.
Can you zoom out to see all the traces?
Yes, but of course they're disappearing after a while, because it would be too heavy to have all of them. But we're thinking about something to have a big drawing in the end.
Yeah.
That'd be nice.
Very nice.
It's very cool. It's a different way of playing. You really think, okay, I want the orange. Okay. Just want to quickly show the last part, the tree. Yeah.
Maybe Verena needs to prepare anything we could probably make synchronous. Trying to set up the stage in the background, because everybody is obviously mesmerized, but we still need to make room for the next act here.
See, we never saw this before, so just that you know. No, it's just because he went very quickly through, forward in time. Yeah, exactly. So here, once again, there's this mesh queue being created, quite, I think, 1,000 of them. And again, with the particle shader, and also these flowers you see on top are made with that. You can see the wireframe. And I think it's quite amazing. I really love this part. By the way, in the very last part, when the flowers comes out, I don't have to play anymore. Just stay there and watch. Very nice. And also, the color calibration on the projector is not what it's supposed to be.
How do you generate the wireframe?
Sorry?
How do you generate the wireframe? Yeah.
It's just a cube. It's like a cube, but not in the shader.
Do the vertex stuff.
No.
Right.
It's a cube shader somehow. Well, it's basically writing a texture, because in this particle shader approach, let's say, you control the vertex with the color data in the texture. So we just write a texture and we create a mesh. We actually move the vertex around because all the mesh is already there. It's created at the beginning, and then you transform it. Yeah, sure. That's I closed it. All right. It is a Delaunay algorithm for finding triangulation between points. And that part, if I press some keys, I can freeze some triangles and let them stay with the color that I played. And these triangles kind of stay on the tree because the Delaunay is based on the tree. And this is the Q shader we were asking about. It's just a little demo that Nathan did. And you can have a lot of them. And you would say, yeah, of course, I used to do that with the clear deactivated in the render. But in fact, that's buffer. But that's not clear, that's mesh. And it can go on for a while. It's like crazy. You see they were all on the same Z coordinate. But maybe if we use the depth bias, which I saw today at the effect workshop, that will work. Oh, there's still the sound going on. So the mesh it's actually one single mesh given to the shader and then transformed inside using some textures. And you can have a lot of this.
So little time. Let's just try a few questions if you have, just a few maybe.
Even afterwards.
Good, all right.
All right.
Let's take those questions to the bar.